Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on replace into statement in MySQL. So what is this replace into statement? So it is similar like insert into statement. So we can use insert into statement while inserting the data into a table. So in the similar way, we can also use replace into statement while inserting the data into your tables. So the difference is, so even though there is there is primary key and a unique key constant on column of the table. So when we apply the replace into statement, it will replace the existing record, new record. If there is no new record, it will insert. So if there is already one record is there with the same column, it will replace. So that is what this replacing into function will work. So I will show in this demo so how it will work. So this is my EMP table. Here I have 6 columns: ID, name, age, gender, department, and salary. So if you check the description of the EMP, description of this table, you see ID as the primary key and the name as unique key. That means in the name column we cannot insert duplicate values. In the similar way, in ID also, when it is the primary key, it cannot allow to insert either duplicates or null values. So how replace into function will work when ID and name has primary and unique keys. Okay. Now I am using a replace into function, replace into statement, replace into your table name EMP values. So here I am inserting one new record with same ID one I am taking. So here some name I am giving here. Next one age and gender. So next is department name and finally salary. So remember this ID column as a primary key. ID column as a primary key, but ID1 is already there. But I want to use the replace into function for the same ID1 with the different values. See, when I try to execute, it is showing 2 rows are affected. So even though I provide the values for 1 row, but I got the message 2 rows are affected. Check your table. See here. So ID1 has replaced. So earlier it is Adam Scanlon ID1. Now it is replaced to Ridley Scott with this newly given details. So replace into as replace and insert the values even though that column as a primary key. Now we can see one more example using the same replace function. So I am using 7. I am giving the same name Scott. So I am changing the values of remaining. So this is as I am taking marketing, and this is salary. So here I am trying to insert the ID number 7th value. Right now I have only 6 values in the table. ID number 7 value. So here remember name column as unique key. Unique key means it does not allow duplicates. It allows nulls, but it does not allow duplicates. So here I am giving the same name. Ridley Scott is already there in the table. So again I am inserting I am giving the same name in the name column. So now I am trying to insert the 7th record using a replace into function. Here query 2 rows are affected and check your table. It is because I am giving the 7th row. 7th row is the new row. So it is inserting the seventh row and replacing the first row. That is what happened here. So because the first row is a unique key, primary key is the unique key. So here I am providing the details 7 with same name. Whatever there in the first name, I am giving the same name and ID. Just I change the ID as 7. Seventh row is inserted and first row has been deleted. See here, everything 41M marketing 67,000, 41M marketing 60,000. Now there is no first record details. So seventh record details has been updated in while inserting the data. So it's very powerful, and the developer should take twice before using this replace into function, because it will update the existing value or it will insert the new value even though the columns having the primary key and the unique key constraints. When the column has primary key and the unique key, it does not allow duplicates. So here I am taking the Ridley Scott is the existing value in the table. So even though using the same value on the name column, it will replace. So just because of using this replace into function. Hope this video helpful how to use the replace into statement while inserting the data into your tables. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.